Welcome back here on Good Day Kansas. We continue today from Douglas. We are in an addition that Wichita Home Works is working on right now. We have Nate, the president, with us to tell us all about this project. Nate, thanks for being with us today.
Yeah, so last time we were here, we were framing this one. So we were walking through this space. We had all the bracing and everything like that. So
yeah, it looks much different now. Yeah, very different. Tell us about what you guys have done since then.
Yeah, so we are in kind of the last stages where you start to see all the finishes happen. So as you can see, we're done with all of the sheetrock work, and now they're working on cabinetry, all the custom carpentry, and then we'll be working through flooring, trim, all of that good stuff. So now's when you can really get a good feel for the space, what it's going to look like, and it's starting to really come together. Yeah,
it has to be cool for you to come on by here and see the progress this has been, because like you said, you kind of start seeing the makings of a home here.
Oh, yeah, that beginning stage when you're doing foundation work and even the framing, and we have to get all the different trades through. That part you can get kind of impatient with, and so once we start hitting this stage of it, you start actually seeing some of the materials that clients have chosen, and you get to actually see how it's all coming together. So yeah, it's a lot of fun right now to walk through.
It's looking great right now. And also we kind of walked down the hallway a little bit and checking out the master bedroom. Was that an addition, or did you guys remodel that, or what?
Yeah, so in this situation right now, we're standing in the addition. Okay. So this is gonna be living space. We got dining area and then a nice huge kitchen with a walk-in pantry off then into the existing house that we added on to. That's where we have the master suite. So you've got the master bedroom, you've got the master bathroom, you've got a huge walk-in closet, and then we actually, in this situation, we have a mother-in-law suite with a separate entrance and 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms over there. So
wow, I feel like everybody needs one of those. Yeah. Little separate spot for the family that comes in.
Yep. So a little bit of a complex project here. We added on. Huge addition, almost the same square footage of the existing house. Wow. And then we also did a full remodel on the house.
Yeah, but I'm glad you mentioned that, because that's the cool thing with Wichita Home Works, whether that's kind of a smaller home project or something like this, extravagant, something that you want to make look totally different in your house. Wichita Home Works is a place to go for that.
Yeah, that's really what we specialize in is, you know, the harder, complicated, large projects. But like you said, we have a team, we're all set up. We do a lot of smaller projects as well. You know, everything from siding and windows to, you know, a larger home addition like this.
Yeah, you guys have great designers as well that'll work one-on-one with their clients to make sure it's exactly how they want to look. Also, before we go, we got to talk about that. Is it the sauna and the new shower?
Yeah, so we've got in the master suite, we've actually got it's a single unit, and it's a shower and sauna all built in. It's wrapped up right now so it doesn't get damaged while we're doing all the different work, but once that thing's installed, it's going to be pretty cool.
Man, this is such a cool project you guys are working on. Tell us how people can get their project started with you.
Yeah, they can visit us on the web at wichitahomeworks.com, or they can give us a call at 316-303-4485.
Whether it's an addition or remodel or anything else that has to do with the house, Nate and his team over at Wichita Home Works is the place to go. Thanks for being with us today.
You bet. Appreciate it.
Thanks for coming out. We have more Good Day Kansas coming up right after this.